What's up, everybody? This is just a really quick video to help those of us who have Mustangs which have a power outlet or a cigarette lighter that is constantly hot. If you get something like this is a nice USB car adapter, but if you can see right there, it does have an LED indicator light. So since that power is always hot, this light is always going to be on. And I understand this is a very low drawing LED light, but I didn't want the light on all the time. So if you're looking at for something that works really well with a car like a 79 to 04 Mustang, I found this. It's by Cable Matters. It's a 24 watt dual USB charger, 2.4 amps on each, and it's really low profile. It fits right in there. A very little bit of it sticks out. You could use it either for the one at the center console or the one near the shifter. I'm going to use the one at the shifter. Best of all, there is no light at all. This doesn't light up inside like some of them, and for a 2-pack it's actually quite affordable. I'm going to put a link down in the description. So we're on the inside of my 2004 Mustang Cobra. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right in there. Like I said, it's very low profile, almost looks slightly OEM. And then you could put whatever USB charger you want in there. I'll use this one for my phone. And it's totally out of the way of the shifter, you could see. And it retains a somewhat OEM look. And best of all, there's no LED light at all. All right, I hope that helps. I'll see you on the next one.